Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add iPhone emojis in Kinemaster. So if you're only using an Android device and you want to add iPhone style emojis to your videos in Kinemaster, you can just follow the steps that I'm going to show and tell you through this video. So there are three methods that you can do. The first one, you can just use emoji PNG images or emoji phone. So you can search for iPhone emoji PNG, or you can also use a Google or use a site like emojipedia.org. So here I'm going to open my browser. Okay, so this is my browser. I'm going to just find it on Google. You can use emojipedia.org. So visit the site, and then here you can just export and choose which emojis that you want to use for your videos. You can choose more than one if you want to. For example, I'm going to add this fire emoji. You can click on the emoji, and then here there will be this options to copy it. You can just tap on copy. Now you can go back to the Kinemaster app and open your project. Here you can just tap on layer, tags, and then you can just paste the emoji. If you want to add more, you can just go back to the browser and then see other emojis that you want to use. Let's say I want to add this laughing emoji. Again, click on copy and go back to your project, and here paste it again, just like this. Okay, so this is the first and second method and the easiest method, but there are also other ways if you cannot do it. There are second method. So the second method, you can just use emoji phones. So download and a phone like Apple color emoji and install it on your device. And after that, on Kinemaster, you can just tap on again layer in here, and then add text. Then just type your emoji and then change the phone to the installed iPhone style emoji phone. And after that, you can use an iPhone emoji keyboard. So you can install an app like Z Phone or Emoji Keyboard from the Play Store. Set it as it's your default keyboard and type emojis in Kinemaster. And in Kinemaster, again, you can tap on layer and tap on text and type emojis directly from your keyboard. Choose which one. And here I'm already using the keyboard with iPhone style emojis, so it's not a problem for me. By the way, I'm using a Microsoft keyboard, so Swift key keyboard, so you can also do or choose that if you want to. And so that's all for me. That's how you can add iPhone emoji in Kinemaster. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.